Looking for the best cordless grass shears to keep your lawn edges sharp and tidy? In this video, we'll break down top-rated models that combine power, precision, and convenience, perfect for effortless trimming. We upload quality videos daily to help you find the right products faster. So stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart recommendations. Number 1. Snap Fresh Cordless Bush Trimmer and Grass Shears. Those with diverse landscapes that need regular attention will appreciate the fast change attachment system and lightweight of this portable trimmer from Snap Fresh. Attachments release with a quick squeeze of side buttons on the base plate and reattach just as easily. Weighing just 1 pound, 6 ounces, these shears are easy to wield for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. Though this pick isn't as powerful as its heftier counterparts, its impressive 1100 RPM revolutions per minute cutting speed is ample for most garden tasks. This budget-friendly option comes with hedge trimmers, grass shears, and a charger for its built-in lithium battery. There's a battery indicator light on the handle and a safety lock for added security around small children. As nice as this lock is, you have to push it forward and hold it during use, which would be more comfortable if it were positioned slightly closer to the blade end. Number 2. Craftsman 20-volt 2-in-1 Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shear Kit. Tough yard cleanup tasks require heavy-duty tools. These Craftsman grass shears feature heavy-duty, dual-action cutting heads for powering through tough vegetation, including coarse weeds and woody stems up to 0.31 inches thick. Fueled by a 20-volt, 1.5 amp-hours rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this tool is a great choice for spring cleanups, summer maintenance, and fall landscape preparation for winter. In our tests, the Craftsman shears cut through the toughest vegetation as cleanly as higher-priced tools. Although the manufacturer did not provide statistical details concerning blade thickness or the type of steel used, the Craftsman blades were thicker and retained their edges better than most of the competition throughout our tests. Though it's relatively at almost 3 pounds and the big battery weights it slightly to the rear, it has a comfortable rubbery grip and a safety trigger that's easy to access. Number 3. Walla Makita 18V Cordless Grass Shear with Hedge Trimmer Blade. With an extremely fast, no-load blade speed of 2,500 SPM, these cordless grass shears by Makita will slice through tough grass and shrubbery with ease. Their cutting height is adjustable between 1 inch, 0.75 inches, and 0.5625 inches. They have a cutting width of just under 7 inches, and the blades are non-electrolyzed and nickel-plated, making them rust and corrosion resistant. The 18-volt battery for these shears provides about 80 minutes of runtime for grass trimming and recharges in about 45 minutes. With the battery installed, the tool weighs 3 pounds, 7 ounces, the heaviest of all the models we tested. But in purely operational terms, it worked as powerfully and quietly as the still shears, and the wide grass shear cut twice as much material per stroke. This was also the only tool we tested that included a built-in clipping catcher and blade angle guide. Number 4. Scott's 7.2V Cordless Shrub Shear with Extension Pole. While handheld grass clippers are ideal for detail work, an extension pole can transform them into a tool for trimming larger areas of grass and taller shrubbery. The telescopic, extendable handle of these cordless grass shears by Scott's makes it easier to trim grass and access hard-to-reach areas without bending over. Powered by a 7.5-volt lithium-ion battery, this cordless tool weighs just 2 pounds, 6 ounces. It features an adjustable cutting head angle and comes with 2 changeable blades, a 3.5-inch grass blade and a 6.7-inch shrubbery blade. No additional tools are required to alternate the blades. This Scott's grass shears worked well on the extension handle. The height adjustment was easy to use and remained secure once set, while the wheels helped us get clean edges along hard surfaces. We appreciated the option to use the shears with or without the extension handle, but removing the handle wasn't easy. Number 5. Greenworks 7.2V Cordless 2-in-1 Grass Shear Shrubber. The Greenworks Cordless Grass Shear Shrubber is a compact and highly capable trimmer for a wide variety of cleanup tasks. It comes with a 3.5-inch grass shear and a 5-inch shrub trimmer head for tidying grassy edges, clearing out landscape beds, or touching up topiaries. The small but powerful motor operates at speeds up to 2,400 SPM for clean, fast, efficient cutting. We noted that the small size of the Greenworks grass and hedge trimmer belies a very capable cutting machine. While the blades felt a bit undersized for a few common tasks, such as flattening out a boxwood hedge, they were appropriately sized for light-duty chores like trimming grass around container gardens or heading back shoots on a topiary spiral. The tool was lightweight and fairly well balanced with a comfortable handle and large, well-placed controls.